Recycling is the practice of sorting and collecting things for new use. It's the conversion of items into new materials and objects. Materials that would otherwise be discarded as waste with a huge negative impact on the natural environment. So recycling helps to conserve valuable resources and to save energies. It reduces air and water pollution and avoids landfill. If you think that it is a typical human activity, the truth is that it occurs everywhere and also animals do it. Animals live in an ecological balance with their surroundings. They only take what they need and they produce as little waste as possible. In the animals kingdom, we can find many examples of recycling and see how nature can adapt and accommodate many of the thoughtless things that we do. So if animals and plants could talk, they would probably say something like, "You people don't know what you are doing, but we forgive you and we will work around it." And we can start with hermit crabs, who can grow their own shell and therefore use glass bottles, cans, and they practically take advantage of whatever they find to protect themselves. Other animals that recycle and use bottles, cans, glass containers, coconut, and other sea debris to build their shelter are octopuses. And so, for example, we can see an octopus living in a beer bottle thrown in the ocean, or how these animals make their own mobile homes from discarded coconut shells in what scientists believe is the first intelligent use of tools by an invertebrate. Then we have spiders, who make use of every natural scrap such as branches or leaves in order to create the spider web. In this way they clean the environment and reuse rejected material. A specific example of how to conserve natural resources comes from the orb weaver spiders, who recycle silk proteins by eating their webs. The protein from the whole silk is never wasted. From the spider's digestive system, it goes to the silk glands to be made into a new web. Results of scientific studies indicate that the silk proteins appear again as new silk in just 30 minutes, and that there are spiders who rebuild their webs every day, so they are always busy recycling. Among the nature's greatest recyclers, there are birds. In addition to all the food waste left behind by people, they pick up every kind of materials to build their nest. Thumbtacks, paper clips or newspaper, rubber bands, plastics. And then there are also animals who recycle what is the ultimate garbage. Dung beetles transform excrements in their house and food. And according to some theories, this could even help in reducing the global warming. Many dung beetles build their nests directly under the dung bed, grabbing pieces and burrowing down beneath to feed in shelter. Some species, the so-called tumblebags, secure this precious resource from competition by building a large dung ball and rolling it off to a safe burrow elsewhere. The dung provides food for the adults and the young, which grow out safely settled in the burrow. So, recycling happens all around us, but this doesn't mean that we cannot actively participate in it. We can buy products that can be reused and use many items found around the home for different purposes. We can only buy what we really need, stop the throwaway trend, and start to differentiate properly our trashes. Is it so difficult to use recycled bins? because animals can also do this. We can all recycle, and in doing this we can also reward our animals. As a demonstration, we can have a look at this video showing a vending machine introduced by a Turkish company that releases food and water for the city's stray dogs in exchange for recycled plastic bottles.